Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to the next video. So today I'm going to talk about one of the company where I've invested and it was like doing super good. Okay, I'll be explaining you why I took that trade and how it was actually giving me good profits. But before getting into the analysis part, so I want to tell you something very important. A lot of people are thinking about stock market is difficult, stock market is complex and is so stressful and so on. It's not like that. Okay, so you don't have to spend like 8 hours, 10 hours like you are giving time for your job or business and so on. Stock market is simple. Okay, provided you give consistent efforts. So like consistent efforts, how many hours should I spend? Put 1 hour, 1.5 hour every single day consistently. Okay, no holidays on weekends. Okay, no Saturday Sunday holidays. Yeah, put consistent effort. It's like 1 hour, 1.5 hour. I'll tell you that your progress that you're going to have is going to be excellent. Okay, you yourself are going to see huge progress in just 2 months time. A lot of my participants were able to see or able to become independent trader in just like 3 months. Okay, in just a matter of 3 months. Give consistent effort, put practice, put a lot of practice, and you can become better, right? So with that, let me explain what was a trade and how it was helping me a lot. Okay, this was this company, right? I was able to identify opportunities. I was having my support resistance. Okay, just with simple support resistance. Okay, this was a resistance. Okay, this was a support which I was having. Okay, we can have multiple supports, of course. So overall, what is the trend? It is a uptrend direction. Okay, it is upwards, and I was having an alert around 4,700, something like that. Okay, and in this candle, I was able to take a trade. Okay, around 4,735, around like that. Okay, 4,735, around that particular price, I was able to get into this particular company. Okay, and what happened? Next 3 days, it's retested, and then it was going the upward direction. Okay, and it has already given me around 13% profit. Okay, in how many days? 13% profit in how many days? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 7. Just in 7 days, 13% profit. 1 week, 13%. Good, right? Excellent, right? So simple trades. Okay, you don't have to be like expert in so many strategies, so many things and so on. Not necessary, but you should be an expert in at least one. You should be very confident in applying some of the technical analysis concepts. That's enough. That good enough to actually trade on equity, commodities, currency. You can trade in all the segments. Okay, but you have to practice on that particular concepts very in a very deep manner. Okay, more you practice, the better you become. So in this one, right, if you actually see the calculation, let me show you how was the percentage which I was talking about. Okay, say this as this resistance as a stop loss, and now it is at 5,470. Okay, what is the percentage profit? Okay, it is, yeah, percentage profit, it is like 15.43. okay, so I bought somewhere, I told around here, right? Yeah, here. Okay, so it's almost like 15%. Okay, so almost 14 to 15% is my profit so far. Okay, and if you see the risk to reward, right, risk to reward is what? Okay, I'm just adjusting this a bit. It is almost coming to, if you see here, risk to reward ratio. Okay, it's coming to almost like 8, 9 or even 10. Okay, 9 or even 10. Good. Yeah, risk to reward of like 1:10 or something like that. It's excellent. Okay, so I normally focus on a minimum of 1:3, 1:4, 1:5, like that. Okay, and this is super good. Okay, so such opportunities are very valuable, and one should not miss such opportunities. Okay, so this on the simple support resistance. There are more examples which I've given with practical explanation on how to apply support resistance and so on. I'll be coming up with more concepts on how to apply strategies on intraday trading as well, because a lot of people were looking for intraday trading. I know that, because people want to make, or to say, trades quickly and want to see some profits. Okay, but I always say this, never focus on the profits, guys. Never focus on the profits. focus on the process, okay, and focus on your skill set. Profits can easily come to you. Okay, do not run behind money. Yep. So I'll be coming up with more videos on intraday and also position trading. Okay, in future I'll be coming up with commodities, currency, and also futures and option videos as well. So till then, keep learning. Happy trading. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.